Alright, freakers! Conor from C-Dubs Media, back with another video. Today you're going to see me in a few different outfits because we're testing out the TCL Moveaudio S600. These are available for around $200. Links down below. Use my links. Help me out. I really appreciate it. But let's look at the specs on these babies. We have active noise cancelling. We have wireless charging. We have 32 hours of playtime. That is redonkulous. Redonkulous. Fast pairing, and they're compatible with Google, which is pretty cool. And they're also saying we have crystal clear calls with environmental noise cancellation. So get rid of the background for the person on the other line. They're going to get a crystal clear experience through your headphones, the TCL S600. And then we also have transparency mode, so you can actually hear what's happening while you're out running, which I think is an important safety feature in headphones, and every good headphone manufacturer should have these. And they're also saying that they have superior active noise cancellation, which we'll find out more about that as we go, and I will compare them to a few others. I mean, I got the Pixel Buds, I got the Galaxy Buds 2. My favorite pair for a long time has been the Galaxy Buds, the originals, because they had the wingtips. So we're going to check these out. The form factor is, let's say, Apple-ish. What else can you say? But that's the form factor of a lot of headphones these days. So we're going to test them out. I'm going to test out that battery life. I'm going to test out how well they stay in while I'm out running. All right, let's check them out. I'm trying to make a thumbnail. What do you think? Or like this. Wait, where am I? Yeah, baby. Just got to say, love the presentation. Now you do get this little booklet slip, all the instructions and that sort of thing. So I'll go through those if I get stuck. I'm liking it. I'm liking the presentation. Wait there, wait there. Da-da! Look at that. The case is pretty big, which would be the charge. There's a lot of charge in there. And look, they give you 4 sets of ear tips. That is awesome. I mean, normally you get like 3. A lot of earbuds fall out for me, so I'm glad they put in the extra size. Ooh, they look good. I like them. Let's pair them up. Oh, it just popped up straight up. Fast pairing. That's what fast pairing is. That is fast. Connect. I love that. That is surprising. Set up. Downloading information. Use your voice to do more with your headphones. Yes. Next. This is like setting up a pair of Pixel Buds. I like it. 10% battery. Let me see if I can get some music out of this. I kid you not, that was a fast experience. I wonder if you guys would like my playlist. So the first song is The Light by Conor. Check that out. Sounds good. This is like a bit of R&B. They look pretty good. They definitely look, like I said, Apple-ish. I like that word, Apple-ish. So look at this, it tells me what my headphones are at. So I'm currently at 10% on the right ear, 30% on the left ear, and 60% in the case. All right, ladies and gents, we are back. I've been testing out the earbuds from TCL, the S600. I know it looks to you like nothing happened except for I shaved my mustache and changed my shirt, but I have been out testing these little earbuds as much as I can. And I'll just get the bad out of the way, okay? They're not for runners. They fall out if you run a lot. So if you're a runner, maybe look at some earbuds with wingtips. But in saying that, they were fine for cycling, they were fine for other workouts. They stayed in as good as the AirPods do on a typical day. So that's good to know. I mean, everyone loves the AirPods and everyone buys the AirPods. So the TCL, they're no different, the S600. I really think that they're right where they should be for the price point as well. Now, I tried them out with my Android phone and they were great. They really were best suited to my Android phone. But I also used them on the iPhone 11, which is my work phone, and I set them up on there as well with the TCL app. And they worked really good. There's the earbud. I whack that in that side, and this one in this side. Now, as you can see, like I said, they look very Apple-ish, but that's not a bad thing. And they really do function as expected. So they come with the TCL Connect app, which is really handy. And then once you get into the app, you can then customize them to suit you. So you can have playback controls on the left or right ear. Press and hold, activate Siri. Play pause is a tap. Next song is a double tap. and previous song is a triple tap, and that's on the left earbud. Then on the right earbud, I have them set up for noise control. Press and hold for 3 seconds to activate noise cancelling or transparency mode. Then I have play pause is tap, and then next song double tap, previous song triple tap. So some of the functionality is the same, but the press and hold functionality changes from ear to ear, which is pretty cool. So as long as you can remember that, as long as you don't have a bit of Alzheimer's going on, you're going to be fine. You can also have Google Assistant set up, volume control, or no operation, depending on your phone, obviously, Google or Siri. The bass is really good. My playlist is mainly R&B and rap, bit of pop. So having bass in there is really important. The active noise cancelling also works a treat, blocks out plenty of noise, background noise, really suitable. And for the high end, which is what you're mainly listening to when you're on calls, I found it was really good as well. I hooked these up for my work phone and I use them all day to make calls. I don't have a desk phone, I just have a mobile. So having these, they need to be comfortable and they needed to work and they needed to sound good. And I have experienced that with TCL S600. So they're good for music, they're good for calls, they're good for commuting, they're good for light exercise. So that probably covers about 80% of the population. The mids are well represented and I think they're where they should be at this price point, and I do think that these compete with like a Galaxy Buds 2. So pretty good for $200. I also find that you don't have to charge them as much as I thought you would. They do last for about 32 hours of playback with the case charging them as you go. As you can see, there's the case, nice little notification light there to let you know that they're charging, that they're on, that they're fully charged, or that they're running low. I exercise for about an hour and a half a day, and I would work for 8 hours a day, so that's 9.5 hours. So you're talking like 3.5 days of solid use out of one charge for someone like me. You might not use these at work, you might just use them on the train to work and then home again. In that case, you're going to get like 2-3 weeks out of these before you have to charge them. So you don't always have to panic and think, where am I going to plug them in? Because you're more than likely going to have enough juice in them to get you home. Transparency mode is a good safety feature. I do like having that. I also like using that at work as well because I'm in an office by myself, but I work in an office room with other people, so I need to be able to hear when people are talking to me. So what do you think? I like them. You should like them too because they are really nice, really comfortable. There'll be links down below to pick a pair up for yourself if you do like them. I would recommend them for most people. Like I said, if you're a runner, maybe check out something with wingtips. But other than that, the TCL S600s are Rigi Dig, mate, and you will not go wrong.